Hello, this is Jari. I'll be continuing with the book The Trial, Der Prozess by Kafka. So the protagonist has entered the atelier of the Titorelli, who is a painter that has been painting this trial and justice and judge-related illustrations, portraits. So he has some knowledge. And Titorelli will be elaborating on the forms of acquittal to the protagonist, Joseph K. You know, he will be saying there's three kind of acquittals. Acquittals meaning like as a dictionary definition, meaning a judgment that the person is not guilty of the crime with which the person has been judged. So acquittal, in other words, taking as at its face value, the word acquittal is of course a positive word. Yeah, like if you would be charged in the court, you would want to be acquitted. So he will be laying out three different types of acquittal, and knowing the character and of this novel, of course, at this time, and because I also think it's a skill to write about something heavy in a way that brings something more to it. You know, you might make a painting about a theme or topic which is sad, somber, but you could put something deep into that speaks more. Other than that, when someone is describing in arts on otherwise some phenomena or some natural some condition very precisely, some conformity to law very sharply, I do appreciate that. And now I specifically mean conformity to the laws of nature, although in this case we could specifically say to laws of being, you know, because now making a separation between the juristical world and lexica, which is of course has to do lots of the topic of this book, but that's not in this sentence. I didn't want to convey that, but rather than like the overall principles of the world, of life, of being. So when someone can very precisely illustrate those, so even though the theme per se might be dark, but having this clear sight, because to me it seems like most of many people, let's put it this way, only like a tiny part of people have this clear sight. This clear sight, or this clear sight, and with a sound thinking, with a like very advanced or bold, sharp thinking. So in these instances, because it seems to me that creativity is not something, and a great thinking is not. It's not a standard in the world, but rather it's exception. You know, that's why, even though the topic might be somber, dark, my reaction to it might be, in certain cases at least, like that I laugh because I just rejoice on the sharpness of the illustration. Yeah, my dog is speaking to me again, so yeah, he wants to take part on this video, so let's welcome him. Yeah, I'm doing some petting. Yeah, so I do enjoy this when, and that's one reason, besides the very well crafted out, very well put and written language. That's one of the reasons I did enjoy this book, because it has this very sharp eye on things. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will like and follow, and see you next time. Bye bye.